Welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I will share with you guys how to make use of a MassTrader trading platform. If you are new to the channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel and then forget to turn on post notification button and then also share this video with your friends. Without being said, let's just dive into the process. As you can see now, this is my mobile device and this interface is a MassTrader trading platform. If you are new to this platform, I believe that with this episode, you're going to understand exactly how to make use of this trading platform. It's just new to the market, but I believe that with this video, it's gonna get you clear to everything that seems complicated when using this trading platform. Now, so you can see this is how the interface looks like, and you can see that we have a lot of currency pairs here, and I want to share with you exactly how to make use of the different icon, how to make use of it and place trade, close your trade, and monitor your trade as well. So with that being said, let me show you exactly how it works. So from here right now, you can see that from here we have our balance here 0. This shows that there is no any running trade right now, and you can see here is calendar, and here is the top mover. And if you look at it clear, you can see that we have the top mover here. We have XRP USD as the top, as the one that is down here, and this US oil is of 3.89%. Understand, these three are the top mover right now, as you can see. So I want to show you exactly how to add pairs here and how to remove it as well. And you can see from this very area right now that is marked here. This is favorite. This is the symbol, the all symbols. Understand, these are the things, key things you need to know. So, and there are other things here you need to know too. These are very area, these are trade, and as well the position history and the account. I will show you everything and how it works. Anytime that you got account registered, you just go down to this interface. What you need to do is to come here to this symbol. If you want to add some other currency pair, if you come to this all symbols, you click to all symbols. Understand, you're gonna see series of currency pairs here. Understand, these are the available assets here. You can see this is commodity, this is crypto here, this is FX as forex, this is indices, and this one is popular. Understand, then if by clicking the first one is commodities. If you click on commodity, understand, you will see different commodities there, and they click crypto, you're gonna see crypto. You click FX, you're gonna see FX. Let's just search USD JPY. Understand, let me just use search USD JPY or USD JPY. Understand, this is this one is a currency. Understand, this is USD JPY, as you can see right now. But it seems that this one has already been added as favorite. But for that reason, let me go to favorite and declare all of them and show you exactly how to add it. Understand? So let's go back to the favorite. Then this is the favorite, and this is the symbol, the favorite here. So if you go to this favorite now, it's a kind of this favorite represent a watch list. You understand, it represents a watch list. So for you to remove it, let's just start from here. Seems like that USD JPY is already added. Then okay, this is GBP JPY. Yeah, it's already added as this very watch list. Then I want to show you exactly how to remove it. If you click on it, let me say I want to remove this USD JPY. So you can see it here above BTC USD. This is what I'm talking about here, USD JPY. I want to remove it from the watch list, yeah, which is the favorite. So you click on USD JPY, click on it, click and hold. Understand, so it's gonna open, and then you see exactly where to remove it. So tap on it. Understand, click it and hold, and then you see exactly how to remove it. And you can see that you see this star here. This star shows that is on that very area. It's a kind of watch list. Understand, this shows that it's on the watch list. Understand, so if you tap on it, it will be removed. So let me tap on it right now. You see, just watch the screen, you see what will happen. It will show you that it has already been removed from there. Understand, I have tapped it. Now you see has been removed. Then you see it has been removed from the favorite. If you go to favorite right now, you cannot see it back from the favorite. It has already been removed from the favorite. Then if you want to add anyone again, you can see it. Let's go back to symbols so that you will see exactly what I'm talking about. If you go to symbol right now, search for USDJPY as well. You will see that it will appear because we have removed it from the watch list. Understand? You will say USDJPY, right? JPY, so it will appear. You can see it. It will appear this way. Understand? It will appear. Then I'll click on it so that it will appear there. Understand? So if I click on it now, you come back to this very area. If you want it to be at the watch list, then you click on it right here. You click this star. You click this star to make it. Yeah. You click this star. I'm sorry for that. You click this star here. You click this star, right? To make it visible at the watch list. You click and then you see the sign has already been added to a favorite. That is the watch list. Now this is getting to this this very area. When you tap this USDJPY, I will show you exactly how to place trade here. Understand? Looking at it very clear, you see that this is 1 minute time frame. This from here you can see time frames here. Understand? This is time frame and this is a candlestick chart. Understand? So if you click on it right here, you can see series of time frame here. We have 1 minute time frame and one more time frame here. You see exactly how it looks. So from there you can go back there. So if you want it to appear full screen, you can click this side. If you want this interface to appear in full screen, you click this very side. It will be be at the full screen. You can see this is full screen right here. So I will show you everything how it works here. Just watch to the end of this video. So if you are just new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also share it with your friends. All right, so let's continue. You can see from here now, you can place your trade direct from this very zone. You can see buy and sell. You can see buy and sell. You can place your trade from here. Though I have not shown you exactly how to start with. Let's just go back. Understand? Let me show you something. So from here you can see that we have a markets here. We have a market here. This is instant execution and this one is pending order. In case we want to perform kind of pending order here, you can go ahead and click pending order. Understand? Let's click on pending order and you see exactly how it works. So you can add your parameters here. You can scroll down here. You can see from here. You can see here. You can put your stop loss here. This is the value of stop loss here. This is your take profit. You can see it here. So this is exactly how it works. So if you tap on this plus button here, you can add your stop value. You can add here your take profit value at this price. Understand? This is exactly how it works. I hope that you're getting it right. So let's go back. Then from this very zone now, let's you see that this is 100,000 equity. Understand? I have just got it's a funding pips proprietary firm. So this is 100,000 USD. So let me just click GBP USD. Let's look at it very clear and see how it looks. So from this GBP USD right here, you can see that this is 1 minute time frame. Let me just take to 15 minute time frame. I want to show you exactly the same thing that I showed you. Okay. So from here, this is if you want to turn it to this line chart, you can turn it to line chart if you want to. Look at this is exactly what I press here. In case if you are confused, what I did, I click here, then I change it to line chart. Then you can click it and change and click it back and change it to candlestick pattern. Yeah, this is candlestick chart. Understand? So let's change time frame. Let me use 1 hour time frame. Yeah, you can see I have changed the time frame. I tap 1 hour and the 1 hour time frame will appear here. Are you seeing it very clear? So this is actually how it works. Now as it is right now, I have already shown you the market and instant execution and the pending order process. Understand? This is pending order. This is market execution. If you want to sell, from here you add your value of lot size. Understand? Say it's 8 lot size. You buy or sell. This is exactly how it works. Then from here, you come back here to the main chart. Understand me? You come back to the main chart. let me show you exactly how to check some certain things there. So in case if you don't know how to add it. And another thing I won't forget to tell you is that if you don't have this thing in your Chrome browser, then you have to scroll down and create and download it on your screen. It will appear on your screen from through Chrome browser. Understand? You just download it there. That's what you need to do. So let me show you exactly how to use this in to analyze the market. In case you don't know how to analyze the market, let's go to let me say GBP USD. Let's just use it and analyze right now. Let me show you exactly how to analyze the market. What you need to do is you tap this side if you want to analyze the market, because this is the smaller screen. So you're gonna tap here, understand. You're gonna tap here, understand. You tap this very icon so that it will appear full screen. You tap it, it will appear full screen. You can see how it looks like, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make some of the icon very here. So this very one is drawing, so you can click on it and get some drawing tool here. You can see it here. You can get drawing tool. You can see vertical, you can see channel, you can see horizontal line, you can see trend line here. You just click trend line, understand, and see how it works, whether it's true or false. Then this is the trend line, understand, this is trend line. You see it here, this is trend line. I can see it, this is the trend line. So this is exactly how it works. If you want to click understand, you see, you tap on it, you see all these things here. Let me show you exactly what I mean. I tap on it, all these ones appear. So if you want to edit it, you can edit it. If you want to remove it, if you want to remove this drawing tool, as you type it, this thing will appear. Click here, it will be removed. So let me just tap it. You see, it has been removed. So this is exactly how it works. Then if you want to connect it to TradingView, understand, you tap here. If you want to connect this side to TradingView, you tap here and make your trade on TradingView, understand. If you want it to appear in TradingView, you tap here. Let me tap it and show. This is TradingView. Now this chart will appear in TradingView, and from here you will make use of all the TradingView indicators and other variable tools there. This is the good thing about this match trading platform. So you can use it and connect it with your TradingView and execute your trade direct from TradingView. It's powerful, understand. So this, you can see now, this is TradingView. You can see different TradingView two trading tools here. You can see it exactly yourself. This is brush. You can see this is TradingView. Exactly TradingView pattern. You can see it. So you can trade, and then you can even execute your trade here. If you want to off it from TradingView, then what you're gonna do is you click here, understand. You click this very place, this very arrow here, this icon here. Click this very icon here. It will disappear from TradingView. I can see it here. Now you're gonna disappear from TradingView. Then go back to the normal interface. You getting what I'm saying? Now the TradingView tools has just disappeared. You can execute your trade from here. Yeah, are you seeing are you seeing it very clear? So as I said before, what you need to do is to use TradingView if you want to analyze the market, then execute your trade exactly. Then when you want to use your pending order, make sure you come back to the home, to smaller face, so that the platform will show you the pending order. Then you click pending order and execute your market. Then if you want to check your balance, your history, you have to come back to home. You click, make sure you start from the home. Then from home you can see, from here you can see history here, and your running position. You can see your running position here. If you're in profit or losses, you will see your fruit profits here, understand, or losses here. Then you can check here. If you click here, you see running position. You click here, you see your history, understand. So if you click here now, you see position, no open position yet, understand. You click here, you see history, no trade at all, understand. This is exactly how it works. So I believe that by now you might have understood how to operate this match trader trading platform. Thank you for watching.